Crunchies, I'm Alicia. Welcome to the channel if you're new or if you're not. I am so glad you're here either way. Today I have got some delicious breakfast recipes for you. My favorite meal of the day. I am sharing some pumpkin cardamom waffles, orange blossom breakfast muffins, and even a breakfast popsicle. I have teamed up with one of my favorite partners, Sunsweet, to bring you this video today, and all of these recipes use Sunsweet Amazing Prune Juice. Each tasty serving of Sunsweet Amazing Prune Juice is a natural source of 4 grams of fiber, helping to maintain digestive health and help you feel your best. It is easy to add to your daily routine, like with some of these recipes, offering emotional and physical health benefits. First up, and this is certainly a feel-good recipe, pumpkin cardamom waffles. In a large bowl, add flour, baking powder, cinnamon, cardamom, ground ginger, and salt. Whisk and set aside. In a separate bowl, combine pumpkin puree, an egg, and Sunsweet prune juice. Whisk to combine, and then add your dry mixture into the wet, mixing well. Spoon your mixture into a preheated waffle iron and then cook to your waffle iron specifications. This batter can also make pancakes, of course. Using Sunsweet prune juice, the batter has no added sugar. Not to mention, the juice includes 5 essential vitamins and minerals. Look at that delicious waffle. It is so light and fluffy with a barely crispy exterior. Feel free to top these off with a little bit of whipped cream, some pumpkin seeds, maple syrup, or really whatever your heart desires. It is pumpkin season year-round in this house. Pumpkin, cardamom, and prune juice are a delicious and naturally sweet combination. It is a warm and comforting flavor. I usually make pancakes on weekends, but sometimes I want a Belgian waffle, and it always takes me back to my middle school days when my mom would take me out to breakfast and I would get a Belgian waffle and a grilled blueberry muffin every single time. The good old days.
Speaking of muffins,
next up I have some orange blossom breakfast muffins to share. First, add the zest of an orange into some honey, allowing it to infuse for a few minutes. If you can let this go for an hour or more, it will get more flavor. In a large bowl, combine all-purpose or wheat flour, almond flour, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, add eggs, vanilla extract, Sunsweet prune juice, orange juice, the zest-infused honey, and coconut oil, whisking until smooth. Next, mix the dry ingredients into the wet and then fold in your preferred mix-ins. I went with chopped walnuts and chopped Sunsweet Amazing prunes today.
Sunsweet Amazing prunes have such a delicious natural sweetness to them and have vitamin K, potassium, and magnesium, which all can help with bone health.
Spoon your mixture into a muffin tin and optionally sprinkle on a few mini chocolate chips before transferring to the oven to bake. If chocolate is too indulgent for your breakfast preferences, you can skip it, but I promise the chocolate paired with the orange and prunes is worth it. Say what? Look at those! The orange is not too strong, but it really comes through pleasantly. Somehow, these muffins taste like morning. And once again, I was able to use less sugar in this recipe thanks to Sunsweet's delicious prune juice. So these really aren't too sweet, making them perfect for breakfast. If you're enjoying these recipes and want to see more like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Okay, the last recipe of the day is a breakfast popsicle. Add Sunsweet prune juice to a saucepan and bring it to a boil. Then add old-fashioned or quick cooking oats, turn down the heat, and cook until integrated, which for old-fashioned oats, it took me about 10 minutes. You could also cook your oats in the microwave. I personally love cooking regular oatmeal for breakfast in prune juice just like this. It's one of my favorite ways to get that prune juice into my diet, and the juice reduces down to be like this syrup, but has no added sugar, so it adds this natural sweetness to the oatmeal, and it's delicious just like this. For the popsicles, I muddle a mix of fresh berries and then I add those to the oatmeal. I think personally, muddling them helps to integrate better. It gives a little bit more juiciness and flavor. Yum. Separately, I combine plain yogurt with a bit of maple syrup to sweeten. You are in control here, so use as much or as little as you'd like. Grab a popsicle mold and fill each mold with a few spoonfuls of oatmeal mixture, followed by a layer of yogurt, and continue to alternate those until your molds are full. Then add in your popsicle sticks and freeze for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. When you are ready to eat, simply pop out of the mold and it's ready to go. I like to use a hot towel to help the pops release, and they tend to come right out. These are a perfect way to start your day because they're delicious, nutritious, easy, and fast. They are especially satisfying as the temperature begins to warm up, which is already happening here in California. I also love that you are in control of the sugar, and the prune juice and fresh fruit add natural sweetness. I promise these do not taste like dessert, they just make breakfast more fun. I hope you enjoyed these breakfast recipes. Thank you so much to Sunsweet for partnering with me on this video. I hope you'll give these recipes a try. They're really an easy, tasty way to get the natural fiber and nutrients that high quality Sunsweet prunes and prune juice have into your diet. If you want more recipes with Sunsweet dried fruit and juice products, I have linked some of my previous videos and recipes from our partnership in the description box below. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you next time with a brand new episode. And remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.